हरि ओम। ओंकारबिंदुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। First of all, my humble salutations and pranams to Param Puja Sadgurudev Omkaranand Ji Maharaj, and humble salutation at the holy feet of Param Pujya Sri Swami Vishweswaranand Ji Maharaj, Param Madharniya Sri Somasekari Amma, Swami Sachidanand Ji Maharaj, and distinguished honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, and principals of institutions Omkarananda Saraswati Nilayam as well as OAMT, and the staff, entire team, and the Sanskrit acharyas, and children, students, vidyarthis, everyone present at the holy occasion of this wonderful function of Omkarananda Jayanti celebrations. We are so lucky to be here in the wonderful, auspicious, divine, spiritual, positive vibration atmosphere. It is very rare to see such a divine and positive atmosphere in the world as well as in Himalayas also. You can see Rishikesh has changed. Lot of modern things have come, hotels, resorts have come, people have come for enjoyment. Spiritual aspect is going on, vanishing slowly. First of all, we have to think, what is the purpose of human life? All 99.99% humans in the stage of Kali Yuga now, present days, people are living for themselves, my or mera. All we are becoming selfish. But only 0.01% surgeons, saints who serve for others, sacrifice their life for the society. In such category, our Pujya Gurudev Swami Omkarananda, who was a born saint, and the entire life he was serving and sacrificing his life for the devotional and spiritual enlightenment of people who are surrounding him. Previously, Honorable our I.D. Joshi sir was expressing the educational institutions being established by Swamiji Vishweswaranand Ji Maharaj has developed so much improvement in the Himalayas, which is remarkable. Even the government is not doing thus much for the education of the poor people. Vidyadaram sarvadana pradhanam. See, if you give some money to a poor, needy person, he will survive for a day or few days. If you give clothes, it will last for a few months. But if you give Vidya education to a person who is needy, his entire life will be enlightened. Swami Vivekananda also quoted this. Education is the must for which Swamiji Maharaj is trying his level best. See, nature has given everything to us, is giving, it will be giving also. There is a beautiful verse in the Sanskrit. We have to speak authentically. We can't speak rumors or untrue words. You see that Paropakaraya phalanti vrikshaha, Paropakaraya vahanti nadyaha, Paropakaraya duhanti gavaha, Paropakaraya satam vibhutayaha. See, trees are giving fruits like mangoes, grapes, and apples, every fruits. From where we are getting?
All we are getting from the trees, nature, Mother Nature giving. But trees are not eating for themselves. They give fruits to all the society people, all the creatures. And you see the river, Ganges, Yamuna ji, then Narmada ji, Saraswati, Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna, you see everywhere. It originates from Himalayas, hill mountains, and flows through the entire part of the country and finally submerges in the ocean. See, Pibanti Natya Swameva Nambaha. Rivers never drink the water, it provides water to others, selfless service. And you see the cows, Pibanti, Paropakaraya, Duhanti Gavaha. Even the cows and buffaloes give milk to others for society, not for themselves. And we ourselves think that we are the beautiful creature of the earth, superficial being, more greater than the animals and other birds. As a human being, man, we are doing what? We are becoming more and more selfish. But that's why Sadhu says, Paropakaraya satam vibhutayaha. Paropakartam idam shariram. This human body is given by God for us, wonderful birth. After crossing 84 lakh yonis, 84 lakhs of births, after crossing it, we get the wonderful, great human body. After getting birth in the human body, we have to serve others, fulfill our desires, as well as serve the society. That is the purpose of our life, and get enlightenment. So, the selfless service can be done by a pure-hearted person, like our Puja Gurudev and his disciples, Puja Swamiji Maharaj, and Amma, and as well as Sityanandaji, and the entire team of his team, Omkaranda institutions. They all survive for the service, for that, not for themselves, for others. Paropakaraya satam vibhutaya. Try to help others. That is the motto of our human life. Because of our prarabdha, we will get whatever we desire, we deserve, we can get it. But apart from that, we have to do something extra by doing service to others. The 18 Puranas writer, our ancient Rishi, Maharishi Vedavyasa also quoted in his verse, Ashtadasa Puraneshu Vyasasya Vajanadvayam Paropakara Punyaya Papaya Parapidanam. In the 18 Puranas, the highlight, the essence of the Purana is said, Paropakara Punyaya. If you want to get Punya, good deeds, want more welfare and upliftment in the life, you have to do Paropakara. Help others, help the needy person surrounding you. Or if you don't want Punya, if you do harmful to others, then you will get Papa. Papaya Parapidanam. So these very golden words that we have to follow in our life, so that our life will also be enlightened, and our Puja Maharaji, Dr. I.D. Joshi was explaining that Swamiji was an ex-engineer, electronics engineer, came from Switzerland and changed his life pattern. From a Western country person became a great saint in India. And now we are teaching, now Indians, we are attracted to the Western culture, we are changing our lifestyle, which is very shame to say. So we have to know our own Indian culture, and we have to follow the advice of the elders. Then again India will become a great country, which was dreamed by Swami Vivekananda and Puja Gurudev and other saints who are serving selflessly for the nation. Thank you very much. I request you, all of you, to be very happy to be and follow the principles of our great advice of Puja Gurudev. Think like a genius, work like a giant, live like a saint. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलिए परम पूज्य श्री ओंकारानंद जी महाराज की जय। परम पूज्य श्री स्वामी विश्वेश्वरानंद जी महाराज की जय। गंगे मैया की जय। सब संतों की जय। सब भक्तों की जय। सनातन धर्म की जय। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Swamiji. Kindly be on the dais, Swamiji. Please kindly be on the dais. May I request now our chief priest Suresh Josiji to hand over a shawl and dakshina to our great Swamiji Maharaj. Swamiji Maharaj ki
Jai.